So many.
Hi, I'm Nadeen Spence. I'm a Jamaican, and Jamaica belongs to all of us. All of us. Regardless of who we are or how we see things, we are still Jamaican. A part of the right of citizenship is for all of us as Jamaicans to be able to fully explore who we are and be who we are in this place that we call home. That is not something that is denied to any Jamaican. If you do not agree with me, I'm still Jamaican. If you do not want to be who I am, I'm still Jamaican. If you do not approve of my choices, if you do not approve of who I am, I'm still a Jamaican. I cannot take being Jamaican away from you, and you cannot take being Jamaican away from me. We are all citizens in this place. The right of citizenship dictates that you must respect me. Until we are able to do that, until we are able to recognize and appreciate and respect all of us for who we are, none of us can truly claim Jamaica. So, in order for all of us to say who we are and to be proud of who we are, we must know that every Jamaican should be valued and appreciated. I am Jamaican. We are Jamaican.
Broken wings trying to learn to fly.